When I tell you that there's so many new items at this here location at Dollar Tree, West New York, honey, let me tell you, they are delivering. Check them out. Okay, so you guys said you looking for new items or new items, all right? You ready? You may want to have you a list because don't come to Dollar Tree like, you know what, Dean, I'm just going to buy this stuff. Honey, you going to be buying everything you see up in here. Check this out. They have some amazing items that is new, honey. Yes, girls, new. Check this out. So, they have the melon jelly cleanser, sulfate free, melon extract, glycerin. Look at this. Developed with dermatologists. Honey, this is new. Could we say new? Then they also have, wait, hold on, child. Hydro serum, blueberry extracts. Look at this. Child. And then they also have this one. This is all new items. Dermasil face serum oil. Look at this. Marola. Oh, Marola is good. Virgin Marola oil is really good. Love this. And then they also have one more with recovery cream. Marola oil. Oh my goodness. Repair and restore. Dollar Tree ain't playing. Dollar Tree coming for somebody, honey. You move your feet. Now, first up, Dollar Tree has these brushes. Honey, it'd be... I'm not going to say hard for me to pronounce this, okay? But these gorgeous makeup brushes for $1.25. Not only that, they have so many other items. Check this out. So Dollar Tree also have this makeup brush cleaner bowl. They come in two different colors. They have the purple one, and the good thing about this is collapsible. Okay, so they have the purple one. They also have the pink one. You can clean your makeup brushes, all right, and then also put your makeup brushes in there. Now Dollar Tree is coming out with some really fancy chic makeup brushes. Look at this. Comes in so many different colors. Well, to be exact, like 3 different colors. They have the pink, the white, and also the black. Look at that. Now, other items Dollar Tree has is the blush stick. These right here are so cute. $1.25, perfect peach. And then they also have this gorgeous lip balm over here. If you guys are looking for some lip gloss, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. My name's Tina. You know, I'm gonna just have you move your feet to the beat. Okay, Sugarfoots. Have you guys seen this? This is the cosmetic vacuum travel bottle. When I tell you they are, honey, Dollar Tree is just showing out at this point, okay? Now, this comes in 2 different colors. They have this one, this clear one, and then they also have a pink one as well. Oh my goodness. Now, this one right here, cosmetic vacuum travel bottle, really cool. Now, Dollar Tree also have many more where that came from. Check this out. So they have these right here. These are the larger cosmetic vacuum travel bottles. Really good. Love this. Now, of course, Dollar Tree has the 4-pack makeup beauty brush set. These are so gorgeous to me. To the ones that's just starting out with makeup, honey, be on the lookout for these. These are really cute. They come in 2 different colors. They have this purple-ish, I would say purple-ish, blue, and then they also have a pink set. Another fairly new item is the Nail Necessities, the Onyx kit. This kit, 7 pieces, bag included. Love this. 2 different colors it comes in. It comes in green, and then they also have the pink. Love this. Look at this. So I heard you guys was looking for some press-on nails. Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have these embellished artificial nails. You get 12 pieces for $1.25. Look at this. These are so cute. They also have these with the little ribbon on them, and these are fairly new. Now, another item Dollar Tree has is the Math gift set. peach Bellini pomegranate punch. This is $1.25. You get 2 mask sets. Now, Dollar Tree also have the LA colors. This is fairly new, 4-color eyeshadows. I absolutely love these colors. These are gorgeous. $1.25. Sweet Princess. They had another one. Oh, they also have Queen Desire, and then Tailored. Ooh, Tailored, honey. I like Tailored. Tailored is cute. Ooh, this is really, really nice. So Dollar Tree also has the Just for Her Soothing Aloe Flushable Wipes, Cleansing Cloths, 12 wipes. You get pH balance, biodegradable, plant-based fibers. They have this one. Then they also have the Coconut Water Flushable Wipes. And then they also have the disposable dish, okay, Just for Her extra cleansing vinegar water. 2 of those you get for $1.25. Now, if you guys have been late to the party, Dollar Tree definitely has the Onyx Bathhouse Beach Vacay Foaming Body Scrub Daiquiri with coconut oil. This is new. This is a name brand, and it is $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the hair toys texture, the paparazzi froth. Okay, this is $1.25 hairspray. I never used it. Let me guys know in the comment section how this is, if you have tried this. They also have the fanciful temporary hair color, coloration, wrenches, and shampoos out. 42 silver lining for light to medium gray or silver hair, $1.25. Now, other items that I absolutely love at Dollar Tree is the mini jar hair accessories. I love these. These are so cute. I don't remember, 16-piece elastic bands, okay, 25. These are so cute. They also have the claw clips, and this is 20 pieces with the butterflies. I had brought my youngest daughter Amani those. Really good. Really pleased with those. They also have the Monday Smooth Wheat Protein Conditioner. Now, I only see the conditioner, my loves. These are $1.25. These are travel size. Sophie hair clip volumizing rollers. Dollar Tree has 3 pieces for $1.25. Dollar Tree also have the Brookstone, which is definitely a name brand, 3-pack eyebrow repair set for $1.25. They also have the 2-pack eyebrow repair set for $1.25 as well. Another name brand is the Invisible. Okay, now they come in different sizes for thick hair, for slim hair. This one is just for original hair. This is $1.25. Now, if you guys are still looking for Invisible extra hold, you get 3 rings for $1.25. They also have more original ones, and then they also have the kids ones, which I thought was really cute. And then they also have, I guess this is like the powerful honey. So are looking for name brand hair clips like Goody. Dollar Tree definitely in a place to be. These 2 claw clips, I believe they was $1.25, honey. They going to $1.50. Still a great price mark on these. If you guys are looking for some clogs with the fur, Dollar Tree definitely has these. Now, these are the only color that I see, and these are $5. Now, when it comes to the little ones, Dollar Tree has these slimes, our best quality slimes and mix-ins. Look at these. So, they have the sprinkle donut, the cotton candy. You know, they have different ones. This is so cute. The rainbow sherbet. Absolutely love this. You guys are looking for some Hot Wheels for your little ones. Dollar Tree definitely has them. Honey, they have like a whole collection of them. This is really cool. Dollar Tree also have, look at this. They also have the superheroes over here, Marshalls. Look at this. Includes speed swim fins. Includes rescue pack. These are so cool. Love this. Oh my goodness. Who remember this? Hey Arnold. Oh my goodness. Movie football hat. I used to love that when I was a kid. They have Arnold. They also have Patrick up at the top from SpongeBob. This is so cool. This is really, really cool. Now, some cool games Dollar Tree has is What Do You Mean? 90 Day Fiancé expansion. You know, every time I see this one right here, when you're smiling on the outside but crying on the inside, it cracks me up. This is $1.75. Now, Dollar Tree also have their Christmas items out right now. They have the snowboard decor. You get 8 snowboards for $1.50. They also have the 6 Christmas trees up here. Absolutely love this. Tinsels. They have the red and then also the gold. Wreath hangers. They have foam sheets, felt ornament kits. You name it, they definitely bring it. They also have the Christmas trees over here. These are $1.50 as well. Love this. With the little beads on them. Really, really cute. They also have the Christmas stockings, wood markers, 3 markers, 1 stocking. That is so, so cute. And then they also have DIY face props over here. These are $1.50 as well. Honey, they movie groovy. Now, Dollar Tree also have these bluey socks over here, Halloween theme. These are cute. Look at this, the Hershey ones over here. I love it. Look at this, the ghost one. Now, this orange is my thing, okay? I like this orange. Hershey, really cute. And if you guys are, you know, one of those early birds that like having everything or together, okay, you doing Christmas shopping in September, if this is you, honey, Dollar Tree definitely is the place to be. They have the ornaments over here, 15 small ornaments for $1.50. They also have the larger ornaments over here, hand painted. You get 5 of these for $1.50 as well. And then they also have the larger ornaments down here. This is really... Wait, hold on, chill. Are these $1.50 too? These?
Yes, I think.
Alright, okay, thank you. Now, these are 30 pieces. Honey, you might as well just go with the 30 pieces. For if it's $1.50. Love this. Remember this last year? Absolutely amazing. This was so cool. They have the blue and then they also have the red theme. Love it. Fancy, fancy, fancy. They also have these over here. This is a 24 count. They have the larger ornaments and then they have the smaller ornaments. Really, really cute. They have the gold, the green, the red. Honey, is a dream team. They also have the blue, the silver. How about you? All right? Really, really cool.